We were here last week, so let's have a look and to see what's changed. Primarily, the only difference is paint. Drywallers are done, painting's done. We're now waiting for the tile setter to get here today, actually, to start putting tile in the shower upstairs. Let's just have a quick look around. It's a very quick update today because not a lot has changed. One thing I did want to show though is the amount of detail that we put up and how we organize our job sites. We publish and print out the project plan and post it on the wall so that all of our trade partners can see, who's coming after. I have found that this has made a huge difference on our projects and with our trade partners so that they understand who is going to be impacted if they're unable to get their work completed on time. And oftentimes what happens is they'll have conversations with one another to see, can I do this now? Can I do that now? And it really helps to open the communication between our trade partners. So I've definitely found posting the project plan to be a huge benefit to our projects. All the painting's done, pot lights, there we go. Pot lights are in the ceiling. Nice and clean as we get ready for the next couple of trades, which, as I mentioned earlier, there's gonna be tile setting. And once the tilers are done, then we'll have flooring and cabinetry. And this is where the tiling magic will happen today and for the rest of this week. Thanks so much for watching. Stay tuned for future updates and future tips and tricks from your friendly neighborhood home builder and renovator, Sprucehill Custom Homes and Renovations. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day.